These are the top 5 fastest animals on land. Like and subscribe right now and you'll have lightning speed luck all week. Comment which one impressed you the most with their speed. First is lion. The king of the jungle can hit speeds of up to 50 miles per hour in short bursts to take down prey. Next is wildebeest. Built for survival on the plains, it can sprint around 50 miles per hour to escape predators. Next is springbok. This antelope isn't just fast, reaching 55 miles per hour, but it also leaps high while running. Next is pronghorn antelope, North America's speedster, clocking in at 61 miles per hour, second only to one animal. Next is cheetah, the ultimate sprinter, blasting to 75 miles per hour in seconds, the fastest land animal alive.